Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, sorry for not uploading any video content for a while, but there is a lot going on and most of them are like 3/4 finished, but I'm waiting for the last components to complete it, and I'm not gonna upload a video about the project until it's finished. Like right now there is a ton of woodworking. A new hatch for the ankle locker is there, now it's ready. It's made of massive Honduras mahogany. Let's see what we have here. The old hatch to the aft cabin, the old hatch to the cabin in the front, new hatches being made. That one is oiled on both sides and varnished on this side, so it's drying. That one has paint stripper on this side and oil on the other. The table, it was finished, but when I was fiddling around, when I was sanding this, the veneer got really thin, so I actually accidentally dropped something and cracked the veneer. So now I need to make a brand new table from scratch. The heater is complete. Now it's just hooked up to a battery charger to charge up the internal battery. Really bad light, but there's the door to the front cabin, there's the door to the aft cabin. Both are ready. Let's see what else is on the way. We have started to mount the inverter in the boat. We have started to mount the diesel heaters. We have washed the soft top and added a zipper. Some small stuff. So there are a lot of videos on the way. They are not finished. Like I'm waiting for the hinges, because the old one looks like crap and they are sticking up. So I have ordered those small ones that you drill in so you don't see the hinges. I'm probably gonna replace those with that as well, and I'm waiting for the through hull so I can put that in the workshop so we can glass up the transom on the dinghy. And yeah, I'm waiting for a lot of small stuff that I need to finish a lot of projects, so I really need those. And after that there's gonna be a ton of videos coming up. They are almost done. And as you can see, paint strippers works really nice. So now it's just to wait a little bit more, and then we're gonna sand this side, oil it, leave it for tomorrow, put a couple of coats of varnish. That one we're gonna put a couple of coats of varnish on tomorrow. Add the hinges that are hopefully arriving tomorrow. When those are done, there are only the table left of the wood that I can take home. Then there's a lot of woodwork left in the boat. And yeah, if someone is on the hunt for a propane stove and oven, I have one spare. And yeah, I've got my hands on some acacia, I don't know how to pronounce it. Some special nice wood. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with that. Probably some cup holders or something. If you got any ideas, let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I have some scrap mahogany, leftovers. So yeah, if you have any good ideas on what to do with that, leave a comment below and maybe I will do that. So that's sadly the only thing for this week, but stay tuned for the next week's episode, and if you already haven't, subscribe to the channel. So see you next week.